I doing today is trying out something that I haven't actually done in a really long time, and that is using my GoPro and then connecting it to my phone and then using my phone as a monitor. Now I know, that seems totally natural, you know, everyone does that, but I've been having a ton of trouble trying to connect this camera to my big monitors, which I just recently got, and I did a whole video on them. Essentially, they're HDMI. And while this thing does have an HDMI port, when I plug it in, it only shows pictures and videos that I'm playing back. It doesn't give me a live view, and that is a deal breaker. Plus, I've got this tripod which stays right here 24/7 that I almost never use for like a third angle. So, let's see what we can do. Turn on the GoPro and then hold down on the Wi-Fi switch until it starts blinking blue. There you go. Now I can just screw this on. By the way, I made this overhead rig out of like plumbing pipe and an old rack. Alright, so now I'm going to go into settings, go into Wi-Fi, and then click on Jack Gordon, which is the name for my GoPro. And there you go, it should be connected. By the way, if you guys are hearing about an interference noise right now, that's just because this mic does really bad when there's like Wi-Fi going. But with background music, you shouldn't be able to hear it. Okay, now we're going to go into the GoPro app, and then just click on camera. Click on this icon, I guess. And oh, here we go, look at this. Cameraception, oh my goodness. Now we've got this working. I can see myself, hello. Wow, this is cool. And it's not fisheye because it's narrow enough that it's like not gonna distort the image. You can see it doesn't really look like it's going off of a GoPro right now as I just slide my phone around. Look at the delayed response though, oh my goodness. That's cool. But where do I put said phone, you might be asking? Well, that's where this comes in, and that's where the camera comes off. The plan is to put my phone onto this tripod, meaning you guys are going to have to suffer through tripodless video for the rest of this episode. I'm sorry. This works really well. I'm very happy with this setup, I gotta admit. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like. Also, I'm sorry if this one was kind of short, but I hope you guys enjoyed some of those little cinematic shots that I did, because believe it or not, those take a really long time to edit, and they took a really long time to shoot, so feel free to leave a like for that. So guys, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you're new. I'm Jack, peace.